Hello babies, welcome to your reading class. Welcome again to another beautiful day of class. Thanks to God. On His mercy, we have health, we have shelter, and we are here. So we are blessed from Him. So, in our reading class, today we are going to work with page 33 and page 24. But before to start with our class, I'm going to show you a picture. First, what do we have here? Warning, right? So it's something that give you an advice, yes. Because today in our reading class we are going to read about something that is extremely dangerous. So let's go to watch one video about what are we going to read today. Dun, 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 dun. Here we are. So please pay attention to the video, and after that we're going to come back again to our presentation and we're going to start with our reading.
They begin life as ghosts, gently coursing through a solitary existence. But slowly, their gentility turns to rage. They grow larger and larger, hurling and twisting and desperately reaching down from the sky. And what began as an invisible shade is turned into a monster. Tornadoes are powerful, spinning columns of air that stretch from the ground to the clouds. Most are relatively weak, but the few that grow into large events are extremely violent and cause immense destruction. Tornadoes occur on 6 of the 7 continents. The country with the most tornadoes based on land size is the United Kingdom, with an average of about 33 tornadoes reported each year. But the country with the greatest overall number of tornadoes and the most intense is the United States, with over 1,000 reported annually. Tornadoes, no matter where they occur, are classified as either supercell tornadoes, which form within supercells, the most powerful class of thunderstorms, or non-supercell tornadoes, which are smaller and weaker and form within non-supercell storms. There are many theories surrounding the formation of tornadoes. One key component they share is the presence of both high and low pressure air in a given space. Air particles from the area of high pressure move toward an area of low pressure, a movement that creates wind.
Okay, here we can find
Non-supercell tornadoes.
the information about how tornadoes are created or how they it began to form themselves. Now let's go back to our reading. Now you know what is the dangers about the one that I was talking at the beginning. Okay, let's open your reading books on page 33, please. Reading books, page 33. Okay, this complete story, this short reading, is about tornadoes, how tornadoes are formed, and also is to inform the person who is reading about tornadoes. So first you're going to read all this page, and after you finish with your reading, you are going to start working on exercises of book page 34. Here I have some pictures about interesting tornadoes. They are the most dangerous and powerful thunderstorms. They are the type of storm that are extremely dangerous. Here I have another one. This one is called cone. Cone because of the form, because it's like a tube or something like that. Now let's start working in our page 34. You're going to answer the questions and follow the directions. The first question says, what did the author write the story? Well, the author was thinking about to inform us about tornadoes. What is the story mostly about? Telling the reader how to be safe in a tornado? or describing what a tornado is. Yes, we can find both things in the reading. In paragraph number 1 is the paragraph that you're going to cite here. And then our possible title for our story can be Dangerous Tornadoes. Then you're going to order the words here. Here you have sequential cause effects, problem solution, and descriptive. So you're going to order the letters and create and write the words in a correct way. That was everything for today's reading class. Hope you be careful about tornadoes, and also if you pay attention to the reading gave you a lot of instructions about things that you can do during a tornado time, like lay down in one specific place, cover your head, and all those things. That was everything for today's reading class, and it was a pleasure for me to be here with you. See you until next time.